All join in and sing with me. It's fun to learn your ABC with the letters that you get in your animal alphabet. Can you see the letter A? Watch it turn into an aeroplane. Let's imagine we could fly far away across the sea. 'Cause there's an animal I know over there in South America, and I'd like you all to say, A, armadillo. A, armadillo. Well, he loves to have a swim, just to play around like you and me. Then he pretends he isn't there, with his bottom in the air. Well, even just a simple brew makes him jump up like a kangaroo. But he'd like you all to say, A, armadillo. But when it's getting time for bed, I'm sure the mummy armadillo says, now put your head upon that pillow. Night, night, armadillo. Night, night, armadillo. A, armadillo. A is for armadillo. B. Let's play a game where we get down on all fours. Pretend we're bison and it's snowing outdoors. We've got a woolly coat as warm as a hug. We're just as snug as a bug in a rug. Remember, B is for bison.
B.
The one without the ice on. And I really must roll in the dust. Itchy face, itchy neck, itchy stomach. Bison never tread on birds, but others aren't too sure.
Watch out!
Bison like to live in herds, 'cause that's what friends are for. B. Remember, B is for bison. B is for bison. And if you listen to this song, you'll find plenty for you to keep in mind. Lots and lots of good advice on B, bison. That's B. Chameleon. C. I have got an icky tongue that is very, very long, stickier than chewing gum, and gets those insects in my tum.
Yum, 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 yum.
We may not be very large, but we're great at camouflage. That's like a game of hide and seek. Don't want to end up in his beak. I look like what I'm sitting on, branch or twig or stone. I change the color of my skin and disappear by blending in. Delicious! Chameleon. C. I'd love to get inside this nest. I only want to have a rest, but Daddy Bird does not agree. sticks his beak right into me.
Ouch! That hurt.
Chameleon. See,
See!
see,
See!
see. Please come on a journey with me, a magical ride. Out on the tide, we'll swim and swim as far as can be, and look for the letter D. I can jump right out of the sea, high in the air, right up to there. So forget that you're a girl or a boy. Come on and jump for joy. 'Cause D is for dolphin. D, 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 let's say. Practice up your fishing and hey, you could be a dolphin for a day. If wishes were fishes and dreams did come true, then I'd surf the ocean with you. Now our journey's nearing the end. You know you've made that special friend, and right there, jumping out of the sea, we found the letter D. We found the letter D. E is for elephant. E, E, E. When it's hot and there's no breeze, me and my friends hide under trees. My trunk stretches past my knees. I think I'm going to sneeze. Achoo! There is nothing half as good as wallowing about in squelchy mud. It's nice and cooling for the blood. To me, me, me. 'Cause trunks are more than just noses. We don't just use them to smell. We can reach right down to our toeses and squirt up water as well. So, E is for elephant. E, E, E. On either side of my trunk you see a long white tusk of ivory. It's a part of my anatomy, and that's how it should be. Left attached to me. So everyone say E is for elephant. E, 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 elephant. Flamingo, flamingo. Stand with a hand on either hip, make each arm a wingo. Bend up the knee and take a skip, just like a flamingo. My, oh my, stand on one leg, stretch up high. Tell you why. We're gonna do a dance with the name of the bird, and the name of the bird we all just heard. The very first letter of that word is F.
For feathers.
F.
For flying.
F.
For funny feet.
No! F is for flamingo. 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 Spread your wings and fly. Now take 2 steps forward.
1 step back.
Shake those feathers.
Clackety-clack.
Quietly now, no yakety-yak. Just 2 steps forward.
1 step back.
Move to the left.
Move to the right.
All together.
What a sight.
I do believe you've got the knack. That's 2 steps forward,
1 step back.
Flamingo, flamingo, spread your wings and show that F is for flamingo. Well, I'm a gibbon with a G, swinging around so happily. Ba-da-ba-da-da. G, G, come and swing with me. Yeah. We can be either black or white. The bugs don't mind which ones they bite. Those fleas and ticks and little mites, they don't half itch me, mummy. Ooh. Well, I like singing with my friends. It's one of those songs that never ends. But whether you like it or not depends on if you are a gibbon. Sing high, sing low, we all join in the jungle show. Swing, snap, sing, go, 'cause G is for gibbon. When you grow up, would you like to be an acrobat just like me? We sometimes fall and get in a muddle, but only stop when it's time for a cuddle. I thought it was a good idea to climb and climb and climb up here, but looking down now, I've gotta say that the ground looks very, very far away. Sing high, sing low, we all join in the jungle show. Swing, stop, sing, go, 'cause G is for gibbon. Yeah, G is for gibbon. Yeah. Huh? Hyena, hyena, hee hee. And when my mom licks me, I'm a cleaner. Hyena.
That's tickling.
Hee 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 hee. My mom thinks I'm kinda cute. I guess she's good fun too. She's the leader of the pack, and there's lots for her to do. She is big and strong and brave, like I'm gonna be. But when I love her most of all is when she snuggles me. Hyena, hyena, hee hee hee. Mom runs in a lullaby way, but she's real good at digging. And there will come a day when it won't all be just play, but till then we will stay where our mommies say. Well, sometimes. And H is for hyena. I is for insect. I is for insect.
Oi, you can fly.
They may not be what you'd expect, 'cause not every bug is an insect. If you'd like to join the insect club, I have to ask, were you once a grub? Have you got 6 legs, no more, no less? And is your body in 3 parts? Those bugs are everywhere, short and fat and hairy. Some of them are scary. Aye, what a crazy bunch. Everything is someone's lunch. When you're an insect, life is tough, 'cause birds can never eat enough. of all your friends and family. But here's a few tricks so they don't pick me. Eyes, eyes, painted on your wings. Look a little scary, not just ordinary. Now I'm coming to the crunch. Everyone is someone's lunch. When I is for insect, I. There's someone prowling in the jungle in South America tonight. It's hard to spot me in the jungle, and I'm a cat who likes to bite. Hey, hey, you in the tree? Jay, Jaguar, wouldn't you like to come and have a swim with me? Jay, Jaguar. Down in the jungle where the wild things are, well, you could say that I'm a superstar. Crazy people come from near and far, 'cause everybody wants to spot a Jaguar. I think I'll do a little fishing. It isn't easy with your paws, especially when he keeps a wriggling. I'm glad the catfish don't have claws. Ouch! Hey, hey, give me a J. J, Jaguar. Hey, hey, what do you say? J, Jaguar. J is for Jaguar.
K is for Kiwi, K ata heya. K is for Kiwi, ooh ah ah hey.
Where did that Kiwi go? I didn't get to see him. Where will I find one? I know they don't fly, so I guess that the best thing to do is start off in Africa. I'll go today and ask everyone on the way. Are you a Kiwi?
Don't make me laugh, I'm a giraffe.
How about you? No, I won't do, because I can fly. So why don't I try? No, I'm too tall and my beak is too small. Let's look in South America.
You're getting warmer.
How's that for the nose? No, I have a tapir.
Kiwis have a beak.
So let's have a peek at Australia.
You're nearly there.
I live in the trees, but I'm sure not a bird. And with all of these clues that you've heard, if you go to New Zealand, I'm certain you'll find the Kiwi you've all got in mind. Here I am. I wish I could fly, wish I could fly. What a terrible waste of sky. So won't you please try, help me to fly. Flap your arms and jump up high. And K is for Kiwi, a K ata heya. K is for Kiwi, K, okay. Simba. L is for lion, king of the animals. L is for lion, the African king. As Mr. Lion, I'm king round here, you see. And I'm sure that none of you would disagree. So while I'm busy sunning, it's my wife who does the running. She gets thinner, I get dinner, and that suits me. L is for lion, king of the animals. L is for lion, the African king. As a lion cub, I'm new round here, you see. And everything's for biting when you're me. So, after lazing in the sun, I think it's time to have some fun. Hey, you up there, can anybody play? L is for lion, king of the animals. L is for lion, the African king. While Mum is up a tree, we are the fearless three, who don't mind hunting when there's no one there. But if we hear a sound that makes us all turn round, perhaps we'll chase our tails instead. L is for lion, la 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 la. L is for lion, la 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 la. Yes, L is for lion, the African king. Huh? Do you see this mask around my eyes? Well, a meerkat is a mongoose in disguise. Stand up tall like me, meet the mongoose family. 'Cause we're on a mission, fishing for an M.
Is that one there?
Baby yellow mongoose love to learn, but there's mystery around at every turn. What are these funny things? They look a bit like wings. I better get my mom to rescue me.
What an adventure!
We marsh mongoose have a special treat, but it's very, very difficult to eat. Oh, if I had teeth like a croc, I wouldn't need a rock. My dinner's hiding right inside this shell. M is for mongoose, hungry as can be. M is for mongoose, sleepy as can be. Yes, M is for mongoose. Please all shout out when you see the letter N. And if your mind goes blank, remember Nudibranch with an N. Under the sea there's a wonderful world, with fish that are straight and fish that are curled. Some live in a secret den, and the Nudibranch begins with N. There's so much life on a coral reef. Just take a look, it's beyond belief. Stranger than things from outer space. Did you ever see such a funny face? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. There's an octopus wrestling with an eel. Baby turtles looking for a meal. Jellyfish wobble like jellies do, and everyone's looking for someone to chew. Every now and then we all need an N. So if your mind goes blank, remember, now what was it? Oh yes, Nudibranch.
Nudibranch
With an N. Huh? I'm from an Asian jungle. Fruit is what I like to chew, but I enjoy a bug occasionally. Do you think you'd fancy one too? All together now. Oh, oh, orangutan. Oh, oh, orangutan. Looks a bit like a little old man. Oh, oh, orangutan. There's no one braver than my brother. He's learning how to swing a tree. I'm learning plenty from my mother too, like big orangutans do. I really like my older brother. He sometimes lets me have a twig. He's teaching me a very special trick, but he won't let go of the stick. All together now, oh, oh, orangutan. Oh, oh, orangutan. There's nothing that I'd rather be than a snuggly, cuddly orangutan. I'm so tired I forgot to say, O is for orangutan. Okay. I'm a penguin. Look at me in the sea. I'm flying underwater. No one's as fast as me. But when I get on dry land and it's time for penguin talk, it all goes kind of funny. Would you like to try this walk? Just put your arms by your side, waddle about like the penguins do. And look at the way they chase around. Can you do that too? Oh, and just like you and me, I'm sure penguins love the snow. Sliding on their tummies, what a sight to see. Pestering their mommies. Mom, is that a pig? There's many types of penguins, and we don't all live on ice. I prefer the desert in South America, that's nice. But now this song is ending, we thought you'd like to see a little bit of scratching, some holding hands, the penguin way of sleeping, and a great big P for penguin. I bet you birds don't know that there's a letter that looks a bit like me.
Quetzal!
The round bit is a little like my body, and the tail hangs down, you see. So make a Q in the air, please do. It's easy to draw the letter Q. Then let's all carnival. Come on and dance with every rainforest animal. Get up and dance. If you could never tell a Quetzal from a pretzel, this song's for you. Join the queue. It's rather crowded up here in this tree. It sounds just like playtime at school. Some live on the top layer, some halfway up, and some way below on the ground. So make a Q in the air, please do. It's easy to draw the letter Q. That'll do. Is for rat. No one can hear when we're laughing. R is for rat. Well, no one can hear us but dogs. I'm a brown rat, avoiding every cat. I hurry, hurry, scurry night and day. I'll introduce to you rats you never knew. So come and meet my cousins on the way. Now, who's first? Oh, yes. The giant pouched rat has got a clever trick. You mustn't try it with food. He stuffs it in his cheek and takes it home with him. Your mom would say, this is rude. R is for rat. No one can hear when we're laughing. R is for rat. You never should touch me unless you're a cat. So listen to this song and remember, I'm a dirty rat. And I bite, that's all right. I'm a cat called Serval, and my name starts with S. Hunting's what I'm good at. What's that letter? S. I lick my lips, hope he slips. I know he's in that tree. Going up, coming down. Oh, what else can I see? Jump, 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 jump. So everybody jump, jump, jump. Say S is for Serval. Then curl, curl, curl. Your tail like Serval's do. Everybody jump, jump, jump. You might land on an S. So if you don't find anything, just sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Well, I wish that I could see who's crawling over me. I just know he's biting and his ears move floppily. Well, we've drunk our milk, had a wee, and feel all snuggly. Did you hear someone coming? Yes, it's Mum. Hey, hey, hey. Why aren't you asleep? Well, just one lick, lick, lick. Better make it quick. It's time to dream, dream, dream. And one day you'll be big, and maybe you can learn to jump, jump, jump. 'Cause S is for Serval. There's someone creeping while her cubs are sleeping in far off India. It's nice and cool sitting in this pool, but much too deep for a cub. A T is for tiger, growl, growl, growl. But to her babies she's a stripy towel with a T. A tiger. A whiskers, eyes, claws and paws. Look at those teeth inside her jaws. How does this cat compare to yours? I think the answer has to be if you stood her next to me. You never did see a cat as big as that, as purry as that, as wriggly as that, as cute as that, as wet as that, as tired as that, as licky as that. T is for tiger. T. Monkey see, monkey do. Everyone in the jungle is looking for you. Uakari. U is the letter for me. You. Funky monkey, ooh, 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 ooh. Funky monkey, I tell you what we'll do. Here in South America, we'd love to dance with you. So watch what the Uakari does and do the actions too. Monkey sees fruit, eat, eat, eat. Monkey does a dance, feet, feet, feet. Monkey getting tired, slow, slow, slow. When monkey sees an enemy, go, go, go. Monkey see, monkey do. Everyone in the jungle is looking for you. Uakari. Monkey sees a tree, climb, climb, climb. Monkey eats an egg, mine, mine, mine. Monkey being greedy. Nag, nag, nag. Monkey feeling happy. Wag, wag, wag. Monkey see, monkey do. We've looked all over the jungle, and we've just found you, Uakari. Yoo-hoo. Viper, Viper. On my back there'll always be a V.
I see your V.
V. If you wonder what it's like to be a snake, get down on the ground. Do you think it gives me tummy ache, wriggling around? V. I've a trick that's really, really neat. Even when it's night, I can see things simply by their heat. How's that for a bite? V. All of us are poisonous. We keep it in our teeth. So if you hear a rattlesnake, watch out, mind your feet. Viper, Viper, curl up and sleep now, please. It's time to hibernate with your V's. There's a wibble and a wobble and a woo, woo, woo. Lots of funny words begin with W. So let's go to Australia, the land of the didgeridoo. That's where we'll find a wallaby and a W. I'm a clever climber when it comes to rocks. And if I have to fight, well, you should see me box. And my friend the koala bear looks so sweet in the trees. What a way to travel on your paws and knees. If you wanna be like a wallaby, then you'll have to learn to bounce. And if you look at me, you can easily learn how to pronounce W. When you're a kookaburra, nothing worries you, least of all a thing that starts with W. So when I see a wallaby, I have a laugh or two. And that's how I remember what's a W. That's how I remember a wallaby and a woo, 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 W. X is this letter for Xenopus. I better explain. Well, I'm a gorilla, as you see, and my best friend's a frog much smaller than me. I can't seem to find him, but I won't make a fuss. Has anybody seen
Mr. Xenopus?
I've asked a chameleon that I know to check all the frogs ever so slow. The ants all said he's not one of us, but I'm sure they're gonna look for
Mr. Xenopus.
He can live quite happily in water or on land like me. The word for that is amphibious. Are you sure you haven't seen
Mr. Xenopus?
Oh, well, you can help me. Just close your eyes. When I say open, you get a big surprise. Open, look at this X and you'll see my friend the Xenopus and me. X is for Xenopus the frog. Yak, 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 why, yak, yak, why, yak. There's a great big yak with a hairy, hairy back who'd like to help you all learn why. Why he's powerful and loud, why the mums live in a crowd, and why it is they're not much fun. They stand up, sit down, watching all the clouds roll by. So stand up, sit down, you could be sitting on a why. Yak, 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 why, yak, yak, why, yak. The yak hasn't got many enemies at all, but the snow leopard's number one. He's cunning and bold, and he doesn't mind the cold, but I bet he'd much prefer the sun. They stand up, sit down, watching all the clouds roll by. So stand up, sit down, you could be sitting on a why. So stand up, sit down, wave all the yaks bye-bye. Then jump up, climb down from the mountains in the sky. Close your eyes, please try, and you could be sitting on a yak. That's why. Come with me on a letter safari. Let's go to Africa. The very last letter that you get in your animal alphabet looks like a zigzag, can you see? A zebra and the letter Z. No one really understands why I've got these stripy bands. Does it confuse the lion's eyes, or just keep off those pesky flies? Black and white go well together, roll over just like me. What's that there when we all jump up now? Is that the letter Z? That's me, Z. I don't mind birds upon my back, 'cause when they're ready for a snack, there's plenty of bugs for them to eat, and I can't reach them with my feet. Black and white go well together in perfect harmony, and what can work so fine for a zebra could be the same for you and me. 'Cause love is as easy as A, B, C. Sleep tight, Z. All join in and sing with me. It's fun to learn your ABC with the letters that you get in your animal alphabet.